Hi, my little shardies. Welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Online. Today we're going to be doing a quick flip through of Coloriage Wild by Emmanuelle Colin. This is, I believe, book 1 of 5. I have 3 or 4 of them now. I love the artwork in these. The paper in these books is absolutely incredible. You can use pretty much any medium on them, and you'll get a series of images and then a second set of the same images in the back of the book. You get 14 images, but then you get them twice. So if you want to try 2 different mediums or you mess up a picture, there's another one in the back of the book for you to try again with. Without further ado, let's get this thing started. I hope you've enjoyed this flip through of Coloriage Wild by Emmanuelle Colin. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.